Glendale, with its beautiful desert landscapes and sun-drenched skies, offers a lifestyle like no other. However, this distinctive environment presents unique challenges for homeowners, especially when it comes to maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient living space. One critical factor in achieving this is high-quality window installation tailored to Glendale's climate. The importance of choosing the right windows. The weather in Glendale is characterized by hot summers, mild winters, and occasional monsoon storms. These conditions demand windows that can withstand extreme temperatures, minimize energy loss, and provide protection against sudden weather changes. Poorly installed or low-quality windows can result in higher energy bills, uncomfortable indoor temperatures, and even damage to your home's interior. Investing in high-quality window installation not only enhances your home's aesthetic appeal but also improves its functionality and durability. Modern windows are designed to provide superior insulation, UV protection, and noise reduction, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient year-round. Features to look for in windows for Glendale's climate: energy efficiency. Glendale's scorching summers often lead to increased air conditioning usage. Energy-efficient windows, such as those with double or triple panes and low emissivity, low-E coatings, can significantly reduce heat transfer. This means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, lowering energy costs and reducing strain on your HVAC system. UV protection. Constant exposure to Arizona's intense sunlight can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. High-quality windows with UV blocking technology help protect your belongings while allowing natural light to brighten your space. Durability and weather resistance. From intense heat to sudden rainstorms, Glendale's weather can be unpredictable. Look for windows made from durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are designed to resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. Impact-resistant glass is also a great option to safeguard your home during monsoon season. Noise reduction. Whether it's bustling city noise or the hum of a busy neighborhood, high-quality windows with soundproofing features can create a peaceful indoor environment. Customizable designs. Every home is unique, and your windows should reflect your personal style. High-quality window installation services often offer a wide range of customizable designs, finishes, and hardware to complement your home's architecture. Why professional installation matters. Even the best windows won't perform effectively if they're not installed properly. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are fitted securely, sealed tightly, and aligned correctly. This prevents air leaks, water damage, and other common issues that arise from improper installation. Here are some key benefits of choosing professional window installation. Expertise and precision. Trained installers understand how to work with different window types and materials, ensuring flawless installation every time. Energy efficiency. Proper sealing and insulation techniques maximize the energy-saving potential of your windows. Warranty protection. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to validate product warranties. By hiring certified installers, you protect your investment. Time and cost savings. Professionals have the tools and experience to complete installations efficiently, saving you time and preventing costly mistakes. The Glendale Advantage. Local knowledge matters. When selecting a window installation service, it's essential to choose a company that understands Glendale's unique climate and building requirements. Local experts are familiar with the specific challenges homeowners face and can recommend the best solutions for long-term performance. For instance, Glendale's dry heat necessitates materials that resist expansion and contraction, while its seasonal storms call for advanced sealing techniques. A local installer with a proven track record can ensure your windows are built and installed to handle these demands. Enhancing your home with high-quality windows. High-quality window installation is an investment that pays off in numerous ways. From lowering energy bills and increasing home value to enhancing comfort and protecting your interiors, the benefits are undeniable. Plus, modern designs and customizable options allow you to create a look that perfectly matches your style. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, look for a trusted local provider who prioritizes quality, craftsmanship, and customer satisfaction. With the right windows and professional installation, your Glendale home can stand up to the elements while looking its best. Don't let Glendale's unique climate compromise your comfort. Choose high-quality window installation and enjoy the perfect balance of style, performance, and energy efficiency for years to come.